Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Q4 earnings for Zscaler. Zscaler declared its Q4 earnings beating top and bottom. I like it when stock beat top and bottom. And I like it when it beat top and bottom and the stock price reflected. The stock price is already up about 13.5%. The revenue is up 61%, 57% year over year. The actual revenue is 308.6 million, while the estimate is 306.1 million. The adjusted EPS is 0.25, while the estimate is 0.21. So it beats top and bottom, and the stock price has, reflected that on the trading floor. Let's have a look at what Zscaler does. Let's have a look at their website. Zscaler is a scalable application that is deployed, security system that is deployed on mobile phone, website, and systems all over the world. It is widely accepted. But let's have a look at the website to see the architecture diagram, and we'll also see the details of the earnings. Then we also have a look at the chart to see price action. So if in case we can get another information that we can see on the earnings transcript. So let's have a look. Here is a beautiful presentation chart for Q4 2022 financial information. The revenue is up 61%, the billing 57%, the RPO growth 68%, 24% free cash flow, dollar-based net retention rate is 125%, 12% non-GAAP operating margin, 1.7 billion cash and short-term investment. Let's have a look at here the CEO. This is the CEO statement. We delivered outstanding results for the fourth quarter with 61% revenue growth and 57% billing growth year over year, while driving operational efficiency across the company and delivering on Rule of 80 for the quarter and for the full year. Our customers are realizing immense value from the new innovative services and advanced capability being integrated into our Zero Trust security platform. Despite the uncertain macroeconomic landscape, which continues to evolve, we continue to see favorable demand for our Zero Trust exchange platform because it makes business more secure, simplifies IT, and reduces cost. Jay Chowdhury, Chairman and CEO, Zscaler. Let's also have a look at other information here. Vitable. Okay, this is the architectural diagram of their platform, the application. A highly scalable and ultra-fast multi-tenant cloud security architecture, over 300 patents issued and pending, multi-tenant architecture distributed across 150 edge locations, direct peering with the largest internet destination. For those into software architecture, they will understand this. Let's have a look at the summary of the Q4 earnings. Then we'll go on the price action. Here you have the fourth quarter fiscal 2022 financial highlight. Revenue 308.1 million, an increase of 61% year over year. Income loss from operation gap. Loss from operation was 82.5 million, or 26% of total revenue, compared to 67.4 million or 34% of total revenue in the fourth quarter of fiscal 2021. Non-GAAP income from operation was 38.1 million or 12% of total revenue, compared to 20.6 million or 10% of total revenue in the fourth quarter of fiscal 2021. What they're actually highlighting here is to show you how better they have performed between 2021, this same period 2021 and 2022. Net income loss. GAAP net loss was 97.7 million compared to 81.0 million in the fourth quarter of fiscal 2021. Non-GAAP net income was 36.4 million compared to 20.3 million in the fourth quarter of fiscal 2021. Net income loss per share. GAAP net loss per share was 0.69 cents compared to 0.59 in the fourth quarter of fiscal 2021. Non-GAAP net income per share was 0.25 cents compared to 0.14 cents in the fourth quarter of fiscal 2021. Cash flow is king. Cash flow provided by operation was 103.1 million or 32% of revenue compared to 44.7 million or 23% of revenue in the fourth quarter of fiscal 2021. Free cash flow was 74.8 million or 24% of revenue compared to 27.7 million or 14% of revenue in the fourth quarter of fiscal 2021. Deferred revenue 1.021.1 million as of July 31st, 2022, an increase of 62% year over year. Cash, cash equivalent and short-term investment 1.731.3 as of July 31st, 2022, an increase of 228.8 million from July 31st, 2021. Cash, cash equivalent and short-term investment 1.731.3 as of July 31st, 2022, an increase of 228.8 million from July 31st, 2021. Full year fiscal 2022 financial highlight. Revenue 1.090.9 million, an increase of 62% year over year. An increase of 62% year over year. Sorry about that. An increase of year over year. Income loss from operation, GAAP loss from operation was 327.4 million or 30% of total revenue compared to basically it is to compare this year, this end of fiscal 2022 and 2021, and we can see that it is far better now than 2021. So let's move on to recent business highlight. Announced our posture control solution, which is designed to give organization unified cloud native application protection platform. Functionality tailored made to secure cloud workload, integrated into Zscaler Zero Trust Exchange platform. The posture control solution enables DevOps and security teams to efficiently prioritize and remediate risk in the cloud native application earlier in the development lifecycle. Release innovations including CNAPP and Zero Trust Work for workload. Launched advanced AI ML. Okay, these are the recent business highlights. Let's move on to for the purpose of this video. Let's move on to the price action. Here is the technical chart for the price action. We're looking at a weekly chart. The market capitalization is 26.67 billion. Shares in float is 83.7 million. Shares outstanding is 141.9 million. And the EPS rating is 97. And the PE ratio is 224, while the return on equity is 18%. Cash flow not available. They've not always been it has not always been profitable, because you can see from 2016 down here is negative, but then the last couple of years they broke even, and even the estimate is even far more better for 2024. Let's have a look at it is currently trading $188, which is 52 weeks is at 376, and 52 weeks low is 125.12 It is currently trading minus 50% of 52 weeks high, meaning that you have 50% discount if you're about to invest on this from 52 weeks high. Let's have a look at institutional ownership information. Institutional ownership information: funds own 56%, banks own 1%. Checklist: Benjamin Graham 9 out of 13, Warren Buffett 8 out of 16, Peter Lynch 2 out of 8. Technical: on the technical aspect, we have it is trading above 10 weeks moving average but below 40 weeks moving average. The red line is a 10 weeks moving average, so it is trading above it, but the black line is the 40 weeks moving average, so it's trading below 40 weeks moving average. But as you can see, it was bullish up to this point. We have a bullish run here. Then we have a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and we have a lower low here. Then obviously there's a period of consolidation here, which we can also call, it actually looks like a little channel here trading sideways. Let's have a look at it on a daily chart. On a daily chart, it is crystal clear that the stock is trending down. As you can see, lower low, lower high, lower high, lower low. You have a big move there, and they have a lower low here as well. But then it has been sideways for quite some time, and as you can see, he broke the level of resistance here. So it is, in fact, there's a gap up here, and this could just be due to the beating of the Q4 earnings. Guys, you have seen the details of the earnings, and you have seen the price action. Zscaler is one of the leading security software in the market, and you can see the past EPS and the present. It's doing well, and it reflects on the stock price. Even though we're in bear market, all stocks are trading down. It's a good point. If you haven't had any security application stock on your portfolio, you can actually do your evaluation on Zscaler and see if the price is maybe below intrinsic value. It might be at a good point for you to get in, to add some to your portfolio if you don't have any. But then, do your evaluation, be sure that the stock is good for you. Check Zscaler with other security like Neutron and the other ones within the same sector. Compare apple to apple, orange to orange, pineapple to pineapple, not apple to orange. That's not how to compare. The same within the same sector of equal capacity. Thank you for watching this channel. We'll continue to produce content that will support your investment journey. Please call again.